You know the saying, use it or lose it? Man, it's so true. Because if you're not using your muscles and stuff like that, if you're not using even your brain, you rapidly decline in no time at all. And I don't know about you, but I plan on having strength in that as I get older. So if you're weak now, like bringing in the groceries is a struggle, if going up the stairs is a struggle, yeah, it's going to be a tough challenge moving forward when you get older. So I want to just show you how to increase your strength. It's really easy. It's easier than you think, and you don't have to spend as much time as you think as well. Because basically, you just got to put your muscles under tension, some form of tension for a period of time. And that tells your brain, oh, you want to keep these muscles. Oh, you want to keep this strength. That's a good thing. And then you can progressively make it a little more challenging as you go. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just out in the park. It's as simple as that. This is a bench I'm sitting on, and I want shaking. Sorry about the shaking. So I'm going to show you full body workout to be done in 10 minutes. And then you can do 10 minute, 10 minute, 10 minutes, or if 10 minutes is all you can do, that's it. You're good. All right. So let me show you how. All right. For your quads, step ups. Really, really good. For your calves, calf raises. For your hamstrings and your glutes, walking lunges. Then of course you've got classic squats. These things are the best, you know. You can go nice and deep. You don't have that much flexibility, have squats. The whole idea is just to get movement. Tell your body, I do need these legs. I do need them to work. Then if you're lucky and you have some type of bar at a playground, all kinds of good stuff happen here. You've got close grip pull-ups, pull back, chin-ups. That's going to do your buys and your back. So good. Oh, the options are endless. All right, for your chest, real simple. So this is a solid, straightforward, slightly inclined bench. For your triceps, dips. Nice. For your abs, these are great. V sit-ups. Perfect. A harder variation of the push-up. Elevate it. Incline. Decline. These are great for the triceps. Kind of like headbangers on a bench. So you go right down. You can do it like this. Really works the triceps. And then you have good old-fashioned sprints. All right, man, that's it. So it's easy to do. You just got to get out and have fun. Pick any one of those 10 exercises. Do them all. Do them for 1 minute a piece, as long as you can, the best you can, best form you can. And what you'll do is, if that's it, if you can get 10 minutes of that workout, it tells your body, hey, you want to keep these muscles. Let's keep the party going. If you choose to pick up another set and another set and another set, you can get a solid long-term workout going there. You're going to get gains after gains of strength, endurance, muscle tone. All of that's going to happen by doing something as simple as working out while you're hanging out with your kids, walking. Well, if you have your dog who's obedient, whatever, you can hang out there. Find places to work out like this. Parks here are pretty straightforward. They don't have pull-up bars and everything, but this one does. And you can luck out and find those type of things wherever you go. It's always exciting. It's always interesting. So I hope that helped. If it did, head on over to broprovegans.com. Join the community there of like-minded guys. There's so much information there. There's so many tips and tricks and everything like that. And it's a group of guys who are all trying to be the best they possibly can be. So hope that helped. Find a way to work out, and we'll talk to you soon.